Good morning, everyone. My name is Sam Bruzzese, and I am a retired school principal with the Lester B. Pearson School Board. And I've been lecturing at McGill, I'd say for the past quarter century in areas of educational technology and leadership. Welcome to Sam's Keeping It Simple series of short videos on remote teaching. And I want to use the Vogue 73 question format, which basically means things are going to be done in one take. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this will go smoothly. Right now, I am using a Snagit for McGill Profs because it's free for us. You basically go to the computer bookstore and get it online. The beauty of this program is it's a lot easier than Camtasia and very easy to learn. For future videos, I'm going to be using Screencastify to demo this for elementary and high school teachers because at this point it's free and it's super easy as well. Let's move on to business. So if you look at the bullet points on the screen, basically I am using Peer Deck. You will get the complete slide presentation when the series are over. And if you look at point number 1, teaching is all about relationships and connecting with students. That's the key. Master teachers and profs know this. At the same time, the past month or so, we've been bombarded with how to do online teaching and to move to an online environment with very little PD or preparation. The key here is to start small, but start. If we look at the, I assume that you have heard of and or will be using at some point Seesaw, Book Creator, either the Google or Microsoft apps, Adobe Spark. This is basically elementary and high school. I use a lot of these tools at McGill as well. For McGill Profs, the LMS, my courses should be how you ground whatever it is that you're going to do. And then if you look at bullet 3, this is really the point of this short video. We're going to look at Zoom and the breakout room feature, perusal, Peer Deck, which have been game changers for me this past year. I will prepare something on Screencastify and we'll talk about the ACE framework. So first thing you need to know about online learning is it doesn't replace the face-to-face. Any good teacher or prof will tell you that when you're walking around the class or if you're sitting with the group, all the body language signals, all the eye contact, you know if students have done the reading, you know if students have been engaged. What happens when you move online, you lose all this. And I've been using Zoom for 3 years at Bishop's and McGill. And the problem is there's a sense of disconnectedness between face-to-face and online. Now, having said that, there are things that you can adjust to improve and to make connections and to keep the students engaged. That's, again, I'm repeating myself. This is the purpose of this short video series. And I will be back with Zoom tomorrow or in a couple of days. And then I'll follow that up with perusal. So I'm going to start with stuff for higher ed people and move back to high school and elementary apps in bullet 2. Again, we are not trying to recreate the wheel. Keep it simple. And there's tricks that I've used and learned over the past 3 years doing online learning that I hope I will be able to share with you. As well, as I said earlier, all the links will be provided as well as other tutorials. But the main thing is, what's the essence of what you do in your class when you do or work with the students face-to-face, and how do we replicate this, if possible, in an online teaching learning environment?